All right, I think we are going to be recording soon. There we go. We're recording. Hi, Melissa.
Hi.
Hey, welcome everybody. This is Emmy Williams with TCAT Pulaski talking about one of our many wonderful programs here at the college. This is Miss Melissa Russell with our dental assisting program. What's up, Melissa? How you doing?
Hi. I'm great.
Happy Friday.
Yes.
Yes. Well, you're a new instructor at TCAT. Tell us a little about your background in dental. And you mentioned when we were chatting the other night with Rob that you absolutely love your job. Tell us why.
I do absolutely love my job. So I got into dental assisting in 2008. I found myself needing to change careers. I had 3 children. I needed to spend more time with them. I was looking for something that I could use the education I had already started with in the medical field. I looked into different things and I just couldn't make a move to go to big cities to finish. I didn't want to drive a lot. I wanted to be able to be close to the kids if something happened. So I came out here to TCAT and looked at dental assisting. And that happened to be the final deadline. I had a couple hours to make my decision. I decided to go ahead and try, and I am so glad that was that something rushed me into that decision, because I have since fallen in love with this field. I love working with my doctor. I love working with the patients. I love everything about it. And now I get to teach and hopefully help somebody else get into a field that they absolutely love like this.
Yeah, and that's kind of what we're here to talk about today. The dental assisting program, like all of the programs at TCAT, is uh, yours is less than a year. A
Yes.
lot of them are 12 months to 16 months. It just depends on which program you choose. But our kind of slogan is career in a year. And this is one of those where if you're in a situation like you are, either, you've got kids at home and you need to make a change. Maybe you're burnout. Maybe you got, um, what do they call it? Not relocated, dislocated because of COVID. What's the wording?
Displaced.
Displaced. Thank you.
Yes.
Like I said, maybe you're just burnt out and want to change. You can do the commitment. You don't have to drive far. It's not like you have to deal with an hour commute going to Nashville or Huntsville. And you've got this small group, small class size learning environment where it's just encouraged for you to succeed. You've got somebody with a good knowledge base teaching you who's actually gone to school here before. It's just a good thing. And you've got some openings coming up, right?
I do. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Um, and you've got a new class starting soon.
Yeah.
Tell us a little more about that.
So in September, we're going to start our new class. I actually have a class going right now, but we have such demand that we have another class starting in September that have already gotten students enrolled.
Oh, good. And I know with some of them, because of ratios and wanting to make sure those students get the attention that they deserve and need, what is
Yes.
your cap on your class?
10.
10. So you've already
Yes.
got some enrolled. So folks, you go ahead, don't wait on this. Go ahead and apply before the class fills up here for the September offering. And say somebody is curious, we piqued their interest, and gosh, I would like a change, and this does sound like I can do this. What would a day be like in your class?
Oh, it is an accelerated program. Be prepared for that. We try to get so much information in such a small time. We have to go fast. So every day, I start the day off with asking if there's any questions. We address those questions and explain things so everybody's at ease over that information, because each chapter builds up on the previous chapter. So you have to understand as you go. After that question and answer session, we will have a test over the previous information from the last class. And then we'll start a new topic. We have 63, I think, chapters in our book. So we are always going over a chapter. The new chapter, we'll go over it. We'll go over your homework, make sure everything is understood. If there's any questions at the end of the day, I will answer them. If anybody needs any private help afterwards, I will be glad to stay. and answer those questions. So it's about presenting the information, and then there's studying at home. They have to do that at home so that when they come back for the next class, they are prepared.
So if the accelerated thing seems daunting to y'all, don't let it make you nervous.
No.
You've got like all of our allied health programs, it's sort of like what we call lockstep. So you're going to be in the same cohort with the same folks from day one to day graduation. So you've got the support of Miss Melissa. You've got the support of all of us here, whether it be me in recruiting or dual enrollment, or the folks in student services up front. Everybody here is welcoming and would bend over backwards to help a student. So don't let that scare you. And kind of, I hope that you'll find comfort in the structure of it. You know what to expect. You know that you've got all these different chances to go over the information, and you've got a lot of support. So that's great. How long is the program? Like how long would they be in class for?
I think the September class is going to graduate probably in May.
Okay.
I'm not positive about that, May or June. Depends on what kind of bad weather we have this winter.
Okay. Gotcha. So it's around about 8 months-ish?
It is 8 to 10 months.
Okay. And then like what hours are class?
We have class from 5:30 to 8:30 every night.
Okay. So you can work during the day.
You can work during the day.
Yep. Have a little bit of time, get over here, and then go through your class and head home afterwards. And is it Monday through Thursday or just 2 days a week? Or
we have 2 classes. One class is Monday and Wednesday. The other class is Tuesday, Thursday.
That's doable.
That is very doable.
So 2 nights a week, you head over here after class. And for those that don't know, we're right off East College Street in Pulaski, kind of down near the hospital. And I mean, thank goodness we live in a really great little town, so you can get across town pretty quick. Or if you're in one of our neighboring 5 service counties, zip on over here. Pulaski is not far. But that's good. That's really doable. It's manageable,
Yes. That is a big draw. That way you can still work and get your new career going at the same time.
Yeah, for sure. So speaking of careers, with this, what sort of credentials do you get? Do you get a certification or a diploma or?
Yes, you will get a certification from the class, just saying that you completed the class in good standing. You send that, and you can become registered with the state of Tennessee as a registered dental assistant. After that, of course, with the program, you automatically get certified in dental radiology because we do that at the same time. We also will train you and give you a CPR certification. So you'll leave with all of that.
Okay.
Then after that, you can, on your own, go ahead and get nitrous oxide monitoring, which is a very important step. Most dental offices want you to have that. Then you can become a coronal polishing assistant, and then you can go on all the way up to expanded functions if you like.
Oh, wow. Okay. So it's a great place to start for sure.
Yes.
What about job availability? Like what all can someone do with these credentials?
You can do so much. You can work in a private office. You can work in a corporate office. You could be an administrative assistant in the dental field. The dental offices need people with dental knowledge to work in their offices. We also have chairside assistants. That is what most people really like to do. They have assistants working in the labs. You can work with the financial part of the dental offices. You can work with scheduling, public health, hospital dental, dental sales, even dental schools. We have Meharry right up the road, right in Nashville, and they're always looking for assistants.
Yeah, lots you can do.
Yes.
Keep it local, or you can take it out if you want to.
You can.
What would you have to say to anybody that's on the fence, either about a career change, or maybe they're scared to go back to school, or they're not sure about TCAT?
Well, I would first come on out here and talk to somebody. Talk to someone in admissions. They're great. The ladies up there will talk to you. If you want to talk to me about this program, I'm always available. I would love to show you around, show you the book, talk to you about what we have. I think that if you're at all on the fence, you need to try it, because you're not going to regret it if you do. But if you don't, you're going to always wonder what if you had tried.
Yeah. So small time commitment in the scheme of things.
Yep.
Lots of support, good, knowledgeable instructor, good group of folks you'll get to know throughout the program. 2 nights a week. It's really doable. It really is.
It is.
So I really implore everybody, go ahead and apply. Like Miss Melissa said, she's only got 10 seats and some of those are already full. If you do want to apply, just give us a call. We're at 931-424-4014. That's our main campus line. If you want to meet Melissa or set up and go tour the dental lab, I'd be happy to walk you down there, introduce you, show you around, introduce you to everybody. So on your first day, you're that much more comfortable. You can also apply online directly at tcatpulaski.edu. But go ahead and take a look at it. Go ahead and give us a call. It's a good time. You've got a comfortable amount of time to get everything done and get all your ducks in a row. So once you start class in September, all you're thinking about is gaining that knowledge.
Perfect.
For sure. But go ahead and apply today. Give us a call today. Let us know how we can help you succeed. Okay. And thank you so much, Melissa, for your time.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Yeah, it's great to talk to you as an instructor. I can tell you love your job. And you were telling me you're just always 2 and 3 steps ahead from the dentist helping them. And you love being in that groove.
You have to know what they do. You have to know all of their procedures. That's why it takes so long.
Yeah, but it's good stuff.
It is great.
And then no day is the same with all your different patients and stuff. So it's just a good opportunity. And we appreciate you, Melissa, and all you do.
Thank you.
Yeah. You guys give us a shout. Let us know how we can help you. And thanks for watching. Bye-bye.